Let's dive in and talk a little deeper about home defects and why this is important for both buyers and sellers. There are two types of defects. The first being a patent defect. This is anything that can be discoverable upon an inspection with the naked eye and easy to see. This includes things such as a broken window, damaged floors, cracked foundation, missing safety railings, a roof leak, and anything buyers or a property inspector can find through a typical property inspection. Latent defects is the second one. These are defects that are not obvious and not discoverable by a buyer or ordinary inspection. This includes things such as faulty wiring, well-hidden termite problems, or mold problems, water damage or basement that floods during heavy rainfalls, hidden fire damage, non-compliance with building codes, faulty foundations, just to name a few. To further this, a material latent defect, this is a defect that can make a property inhabitable and makes the property dangerous or potentially dangerous to the occupants, making it unfit to live in. Examples of this would include an addition that was added without the appropriate permits, the house was a former marijuana grow-op or a former operation of opioids and or fentanyl. And just to recap defects, sellers cannot hide defects or mislead buyers about the property's condition or other attributes. As a seller, you must disclose all material latent defects that you know about. If a seller knows about damage to the property that is not visible or a latent defect exists, such as unsound construction, mold, infestation, or environmental damage, the seller has a duty to disclose the latent defect to the buyer. Remember that each home buying experience is unique, and an informed buyer is a confident buyer. And that is my job to assist you throughout the entire home process.